Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2014 Springdale model 189. This is a Bob's Back Row as is special, and I'll show you what we're talking about here in a minute. But there's just too much trailer here to abandon this thing, and I'll show you why. It's got a perfectly good exterior shell. We've got outside awning, outside speakers. There's the model number 189. You see, tires good. Has a compartment here under the rear bunks. Back side's got the spare. We've got it under cover. We stowed the spot here, just make sure it doesn't leak during these rains that we're experiencing. Where's the problem, right? Why is it as is? Well, let me show you when we step inside. This had leaked over time, and the previous owners peeled up the linoleum. They cut out the rot. See, there's a front sofa here. Kitchen's pretty well intact. I mean, it's all there. We got the sink, dual basin sink, our stove, the refrigerator, freezer combination, microwave, dinette, pretty much all there until you look at the floor. And you can see this is for that right guy that can go in and piece in and fill the holes we got in the front. We also experienced some leaking in the back. Probably the worst of it right under here. Even those runners are rotted, so they're going to have to be replaced. This is a bunk bed model in the back. We've got our sink, vanity mirror, and there's our bathroom. That rot extends in there. You can see they cut into the insulation there. But for the right guy that knows how, this make a heck of a trailer. So check it out, this 2014 Keystone Springdale right here, Gibbs RV in Coos Bay, 1-800-824-4388.